The Ford Mustang has long been an iconic symbol of American muscle, blending power, style, and performance into one package. In 2025, Ford takes this legacy a step further, offering enthusiasts a Mustang that's more advanced, more powerful, and more refined than ever before. With this new generation, the Mustang remains true to its roots while incorporating cutting-edge technology and a fresh, modern look. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Ford Mustang a true standout in the automotive world. Ford has kept the Mustang's signature aggressive stance while enhancing its design for the modern age. The 2025 model features a sleek, more aerodynamic profile with sharper lines and a wider stance. The front end is dominated by a bold grille and a redesigned set of LED headlights that give the car an instantly recognizable face. The muscular rear end includes an updated diffuser and tail lights, adding a modern flair to its traditional design. It's clear that Ford has taken inspiration from the past while ensuring the Mustang stays relevant in today's automotive landscape. Inside, the 2025 Mustang offers a perfect balance of technology and tradition. The dashboard is now home to a digital instrument cluster and a large, vertically oriented touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Ford's latest infotainment system. The cockpit feels more driver-focused than ever, with premium materials and a refined layout that delivers both comfort and style. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on a track, the Mustang's interior is designed to provide a high-performance experience without compromising on luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ford Mustang doesn't disappoint. The lineup features a range of powerful engine options, starting with a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine that offers impressive horsepower and torque. For those who crave more power, the 5.0-liter V8 in the GT model delivers an exhilarating driving experience, while the upcoming electric Mustang will add an entirely new dimension to the brand's performance offerings. With precision handling, a stiffened chassis, and upgraded suspension components, the 2025 Mustang promises to deliver both thrilling straight-line speed and agile cornering. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or someone who loves the open road, the Mustang is engineered to impress. Ford's 2025 Mustang is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement that muscle cars can evolve with the times without losing the spirit that made them so beloved in the first place. With its striking exterior, advanced interior features, and unmatched performance, the Mustang continues to push the boundaries of what a modern muscle car can be. Whether you're a diehard fan of the Mustang or new to the muscle car scene, the 2025 model is sure to leave an impression. For more on the latest in automotive trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell here at Car Culture.